Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to GHANAIAN channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make crunchy chin chin or Ghanaian party chips. This is very easy to make. It's crunchy, it's crispy, it turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, salt, grated nutmeg. You can use the fresh one as well. So this, I have onion, ginger, garlic. I'll grind this and add it to it, mix it well combined. So I grinded mine with my earthenware. If you don't have it, you can add this ingredient to your blender, add in a little bit of water and blend until it's smooth. After, I went ahead and grated the margarine as well. So once you are done grating it, I prefer grating it because it makes it easier for you to mix it. You're looking for a breadcrumbs consistency, something like this. So after you are done, grate it well in the middle and add in water. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. The water, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time. Add it little at a time, mix it until well combined, and then add in the rest of the water. Once everything has come together, I would knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overstress the dough. You do not need that much kneading here. So once everything has come together, bring it or mold it well, and the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. Cover it and let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. By then you can go ahead and preheat your oil. After, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface, transfer the dough on it and divide it into 3 equal parts. So because I'm having a small working surface, that's why I divided mine into 3 equal parts. But if you have a big surface, you can roll all at once and then go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. So I transferred 2 to my bowl and covered it, and then I went in with the rolling pin to roll it out. So you're looking for something less than 2 millimeters. After, I use a pizza cutter to cut off the excess to make it in a square shape. So when you get to this point, you can use any design, or you can do any design of your choice at all. So I am going in by using the pastry cutter wheel to make this design. If you want, you can even use a pizza cutter to cut it into smaller pieces and fry those bad boys, or you can use the scissors to cut it into smaller pieces and fry it directly, or cut it directly in the oil and fry those bad boys. You can even use a knife as well, but I prefer going in for this design today because I found it the easiest way and I was having fun with it, so it was okay. When done, bring them together and fry these bad boys. Don't worry of tearing them apart because when you enter into the oil, it will separate by itself. So just drop them in the oil and let them fry until they are ready. So once it's ready, don't forget to put them on a paper to drain out the excess oil. Stay close to it. This need a little bit of attention and does not take time at all to be done or to get fried. So stay close to it, let it fry until it is ready. You know, it is not really big or long, so it needs attention. If not, it will get burn, or make sure your fire is on medium low and let it fry slowly until it gets to the right point. So when you get to this point, you are almost there. Stay close to it and keep frying it. When you get to this point like this, that means it's ready. Golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Remove them and drain the excess oil on a paper towel, guys. This is very easy to make. It's super crunchy. It turned out so delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Love you all, guys. If you like this amazing recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. follow my page. And guys, this is beautiful. Not just beautiful, but it turned out so delicious as well. So the onion, ginger, garlic that I added to it are totally optional. You can add in only onion or only garlic or only ginger. That's totally depend on you. So please, anything that I added, like the onion, ginger, garlic, even the nutmeg, if you're not a nutmeg lover, you can just take that out and go in with the rest. This is very simple to make. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.